CATL makes car manufacturing a breeze. At the Beijing International Auto Show on April 25, 2024, China's power battery giant, CATL, unveiled its innovative creation, the CIIC Integrated Intelligent Chassis, which has caught the attention of the industry and sparked discussions. Some have vividly dubbed it the skateboard chassis. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the China Drivers channel. If you're interested in Chinese brand automobiles, please subscribe to this channel. I'm not entirely sure if CATL's future plans include complete vehicle manufacturing, given their long-standing focus on power battery production. However, the release of the CIIC Integrated Intelligent Chassis raises the question of whether they are moving towards vehicle manufacturing. It's difficult to ascertain, especially considering that their counterpart, BYD, has been doing so for many years. So today, let's focus solely on the core allure of this chassis technology. The core features of the CIIC Integrated Intelligent Chassis are decoupling of upper and lower parts, high integration, and openness to the outside world. Through an expandable software and hardware architecture and standardized interface design, it achieves a versatile chassis structure adaptable to a variety of vehicle models. Just like a Swiss Army knife, it integrates multiple core functions and technologies. In terms of design, it revolves around the battery, employing advanced CTC, cell-to-chassis, technology. Battery cells are directly integrated into the chassis, enhancing both chassis assembly efficiency and providing vehicles with a range exceeding 1,000 kilometers. Even at the same range, it can accommodate various battery chemistries and support diverse battery types and swapping schemes, such as Kirin batteries and Xinjiang batteries, thus providing robust support for the diversified development of new energy vehicles. Regarding the overall product form, the CIIC Integrated Intelligent Chassis deeply integrates battery, electric drive, and thermal management subsystems into the chassis, achieving profound integration of the three electric systems. This integrated design not only improves system efficiency, but also conserves precious space on the vehicle body, enabling greater freedom and flexibility in vehicle design. Moreover, through innovative design, the chassis can absorb 80% of the vehicle's collision energy, reducing the correlation between styling and safety and presenting more possibilities for vehicle design. It's worth mentioning that CATL's intelligent chassis incorporates self-developed solutions from its subsidiary Aerosmart, including wire-controlled braking, wire-controlled steering, rear-wheel steering, electronic suspension, and four-wheel drive control. This is a highly innovative business concept and product, making vehicle manufacturing increasingly accessible. If your company aims to produce new energy vehicles, procuring this entire suite of intelligent chassis products will bring you halfway to success, saving you a considerable amount of time and cost. CATL is a company of immense scale and strength. According to SNE research data, from January to December 2023, the company held a 36.8% global market share in power battery usage, ranking first worldwide for 7 consecutive years, while its global market share of energy storage battery shipments was 40%, topping the charts for 3 straight years. If they intend to enter vehicle manufacturing, it now appears straightforward and effortless. However, we cannot be certain. Perhaps CATL simply aims to demonstrate its strong innovation capabilities in the field of new energy vehicle technology and promote the application and development of this advanced technology in the industry without actually engaging in complete vehicle manufacturing. What do you think? Please feel free to leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.